Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy apple hand pies. Let's start off with our ingredients. First I have about 1.5 cups of this apple pie filling, the no sugar added. I am going to sprinkle that with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Then we have a tablespoon of butter. Then we're also going to have a cinnamon sugar coating on the top. So that's going to be a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of sugar. And then 2 flour tortillas, whatever kind you like. And I did cut those in half. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. And if you didn't cut your tortillas, go ahead and do that. These are all cooled off, so I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. I divided my apple pie filling evenly in between the 4 tortillas, and you do want to try to stay away from the edges because we are going to seal these. And I did just a little sprinkle of sugar and a little sprinkle of cinnamon on top of each one. So let's go ahead and get them closed up. Okay, there was no way my tortillas were going to close, so I had to go ahead and cut another tortilla. So I'll make sure that I add that on the recipe, but I used 3 whole tortillas now. So now I'm going to melt my butter in the microwave and brush that on each of these. Next, we're going to make our cinnamon sugar topping. So I just have my tablespoon of sugar and my teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to give that a really good mix until it's nice and combined and sprinkle it on top of each one. Okay, now I flip them over and I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And then you want to crimp the edges with a fork. All of my edges have been crimped the best I could. I did lose a lot of filling, but I just try to push it back in there. So now we're going to get this into the oven at 350 for 5 minutes, flip it and cook it an additional 5 minutes. These are all out of the oven and they look and smell amazing. I let them cool on the pan until I could touch them, and then I'm just going to put them into Tupperware until Taste Tester has a little taste. Hey Taste Tester,
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. They're not from mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.